nice bingo hall. Well, they got a new sportsbook coming. I don't remember what the other one looked like, the old one looked like, to know if it was ready for a remodel. This is what it is right now. Well, it's just a bar now. So, are they even selling sports tickets? I don't see a machine. Normally they would have a kiosk out here so you can still make your bets. Race and Sportsbook. Okay, yeah, they set up a, looks like maybe this one in the back is a temporary thing until this big one gets fixed. So this whole thing, that evidently will be part of the new Sportsbook. They've got a lot of space in this casino that they're not using. And I think that's why they chose to go all in on a big sports book, because they've got space they don't need. Yeah, here's all the the kiosk. Oh, they do have a couple live ticket writers too.